Welcome to the Tech Dive AV Club. No, I'm not Adam. I am Steven, and this is my first video for the AV Club. I am going to make a few more videos on here, mainly about OBS and video game capturing, that kind of stuff, more of like the creator side, streaming side of this whole thing. Now, in order to Chromakey in OBS, this is all you need. One, you need a webcam. Really, any webcam works. I have a C922X. It doesn't matter that much. Number two, you need some kind of green screen in some way to have it suspended. I have like this little stand doohickey from Amazon. The green screen itself is like $10. So if you would like pin a green sheet to your wall or from the ceiling, that's all you need. Number three, you need a light that is reasonably bright. And it's white. You want a 5000K to 6000K light bulb. So that way the color temperatures are pretty balanced. You don't really want a super warm light or a super cool light, because then it'd be blue. The warm light, actually, you can see shining off my hair, is orange. That's the light in the ceiling here, and that's not too helpful. But you want the light in front of you, you want the green screen behind you, and you want your webcam facing you. That's that simple. And then in OBS, if you look at my screen here, hopefully you guys can see pretty clearly. You're going to find your webcam. Mine is a Logitech C922X. You can just have like whatever, like a Microsoft HD cam. Works fine, really. But the higher quality of the webcam, the better the cutout of your head will be. If you can use a DSLR with some kind of capture card, that is even better. So you'll right click on the Logitech C922X, click on filters. Filters are things that you can apply to your webcam view in order to alter it. So you can like add in all kinds of stuff: color correction, color key, crop pad, mask, blend, all this stuff. So come in here with Chromakey. I'll call this Chromakey 2. I'm going to leave my default setting in there just so I can revert back to it. So you can see, oh, it's kind of working. The gray is what is being cut out. What you need to do is mess with these settings. Similarity will make it adjust to different colors. So like the closer it is to the true green, the better. What I like to do is not use the default green color. I come here to custom. I click select color, and then I go to pick screen color, and then I click the brightest green on my screen, something like that. All right, and it looks awful. But then I come down here to similarity. I turn that down, and I come to smoothness. But we're getting close. And then color spill reduction. Color spill reduction just changes like all the colors, and it's kind of weird. Let's see, we may want to just really just a matter of fine tuning. There's no magical way to do it. And so that's pretty good. You can see a little bit of the shadow behind me coming out. The only way to get rid of the shadow behind you is to have a light between you and the green screen, which is just another step to mess with. You can usually get away with just having light in front of you. So you can actually change some stuff like the brightness and the contrast in order to make your chroma key more effective. I may actually go and pick a brighter color like that. And ooh, that works a lot better. You just kind of mess with these three sliders very gently. You want to keep them as close to the left as possible, because the further right they go, the more degraded your video quality is going to be. So I think this is a pretty passable green screen. It's pretty good. But there. And that did it. So now, pretty much whenever you load up your OBS, it's going to load that profile into your Logitech or whatever webcam you have. Another thing that will help is to go to your properties of your webcam, configure the video, and somewhere, there it is, right here. This guy right here can help with your green screen balance. See, you want to have your white balance set right. You want to go in and change your exposure if that's an option. See, that actually is a pretty good. It makes me a little bit blown out, a little bit too bright, but the green screen doesn't look too bad in that. And there is a little bit of noise, but usually that's fairly invisible on the actual video stream. So there we go. We have just we have just successfully green screened in OBS for free. And you just need a green screen, the light, computer, webcam. Very simple. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all next time.